Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have your device ready. Sign into your Google account and make sure Sync is enabled so purchases and apps link to you. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or enable mobile data to avoid interruptions and open the Play Store app. You may see permission prompts. Grant what's necessary for downloads. This gets you into the store and lets you search, browse, or access your library immediately. Make sure notifications are allowed for updates later. You will search using the bar at the top. Type app names or categories and use filters to narrow results. Once you find the app, tap Install or the price to begin, review permissions, and why they are requested before you confirm payment for paid items. After starting a download, monitor progress in the notification shade or the My Apps and Games section. If you need to pause, cancel, or prioritize, do that from the same place so downloads complete without wasting data. You should set auto updates for convenience, but also know how to update manually via My Apps and Games so you control data use. For purchases, add a payment method under Account Payments and Subscriptions. Use cards, carrier billing, or Google Play Balance. If something goes wrong, clear the Play Store cache, check storage space, and restart the device. These steps fix most issues. If a download still fails, make sure your account is verified and your payment method is valid. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.